Get out. Get out. Get out.
Are your sensors malfunctioning? I said get out! I can't believe this. The doctor's greatest creation shambling around my lab like a zombot.
What? Who?
Hello, I am Kid Tsunami. You are my target.
Hold on a second. Why am I your target? There has to be a misunderstanding.
No misunderstanding. This is entirely by design. It takes approximately 118 milliliters of liquid and 40 seconds to drown. This shouldn't take long.
Who? I'm sorry, have we met? I'll start. I'm Sonic the Hedgehog.
Oh, I know who you are. It's all I know, really. And that's the problem. I am your fault. Starline, Eggman, sure, they're part of this and they'll get theirs. But it really comes down to you. If you had just taken them out, I wouldn't have been made. Or if that goes against your precious moral code, you could have just rolled over and quit. But no! You kept on fighting. You keep giving idiots the freedom to repeat their awful mistakes. And it just keeps on going and going and going. And the whole world loves you for it. So I'm ending it. All of it. You, the docs, the world. It's what you all deserve.
Maybe I spoke too fast. Let's try again. Hi! I'm Sonic the Hedgehog. And you are?
Yeah, okay. I'm Surge the Tenrec. And your speed of sound can't compete with my speed of light!